god, Lia, look at this. I really want to go Hawaii one day.
Oh wow, but have you ever seen those beaches that glow blue at night?
Huh? Glow in the dark? How does that even work?
Guys, did you know that it happens because of a protist?
Huh? A protist?
Yeah, let's find out more!
Hi guys, have you ever seen videos of glowing blue wave at night and wondered what causes them? Although they may look magical, these glowing waves are actually produced by a microscopic marine organism called Noctiluca scintillans. Despite being only a single-cell organism, it plays an important role in marine biodiversity and ecosystem dynamics. So today, we will discuss its taxonomy, habitat, characteristic, life cycle, and its importance to both the ecosystem and economy. Noctiluca scintillans belongs to domain Eukaryota because it contains a true nucleus and membrane-bound organelles. It is classified under kingdom Protista and phylum Dinoflagellata, a group of planktonic organisms commonly found in aquatic environments. Its genus is Noctiluca and its species is Noctiluca scintillans. The name Noctiluca means night light, while scintillans means sparkling. This name already reflects its ability to produce bioluminescence, a natural phenomenon where living organisms emit light. Because of this unique characteristic, Noctiluca scintillans is one of the most recognizable marine microorganisms in the whole world.
Noctiluca scintillans is commonly found in tropical and temperature marine waters around the world. It usually occurs in coastal regions where nutrient concentrations are relatively high. As a planktonic organism, it does not actively swim against currents, but instead drifts freely in the water column. Its abundance is strongly influenced by environmental conditions such as temperature, nutrient availability, and ocean currents. Warm waters containing high concentrations of nitrogen and phosphorus often support rapid population growth. As a result, large populations of Noctiluca scintillans are frequently observed in coastal waters of Asia, Australia, and other marine regions.
For the morphology, Noctiluca scintillans is a unicellular organism with a spherical appearance. It contains a large vacuole which helps to remain its buoyancy and also allows it to remain suspended under the seawater. It also possesses a flagellum which assists in movement and also feeding. For mode of nutrition, Noctiluca scintillans remain heterotrophic. It feeds on smaller plankton, algae, and also organic particles that present in seawater. For its general characteristic, this species is marine, planktonic, and microscopic. It is usually found at the surface of water where the food sources are abundant. This species has a very unique characteristic. The most unique characteristic is the bioluminescence. When it's disturbed by wave, current, or any movement, the chemical reaction involving the luciferin and luciferase produce a flash of blue light. This is why some beaches glow blue at night. Scientists believe that this light production acts as defense mechanism from the predator.
I am going to talk about life cycle. The life cycle of Noctiluca scintillans mainly involve a sexual reproduction through binary fission. During this process, one parent cell divides into two genetically identical daughter cells. Under favorable conditions such as warm temperature and high nutrient concentrations, reproduction occurs rapidly. This causes a sudden increases in population size and may result in large blooms. Some studies have suggested that sexual reproduction may also occur under specific environmental conditions. However, asexual reproductions remain the dominant reproductive strategy. Okay, now for the additional info, we have harmful algal bloom. When population growth becomes excessive, Noctiluca scintillans can form harmful algal blooms. These blooms may reduce oxygen level in water and negatively affect marine organisms. Therefore, although the species contribute to beautiful bioluminescent displays, it may also create ecological challenge when present in very large numbers.
Noctiluca scintillans is an important component of marine food webs. It participates in nutrient cycling and interacts with various marine organisms. It also contributes to biodiversity within plankton communities. Large blooms of Noctiluca scintillans can affect fisheries and aquaculture activities by reducing water quality and oxygen availability. This may result in economic losses for coastal communities that depend on marine resources. However, its bioluminescent phenomenon can also attract tourists and contribute to ecotourism activities. Before we conclude, here are some fascinating facts about Noctiluca scintillans. First, despite being responsible for lighting up entire beaches, a single Noctiluca scintillant cell is only about 0.2 to 2 mm in diameter. Individually, they are tiny, but together, millions of them can create spectacular glowing oceans. Second, these organisms do not glow continuously. They only emit flashes of blue light when disturbed by waves, swimming fish, boats, or even human footsteps. During massive blooms, Noctiluca scintillans population can become so large they are visible from satellites in space. Although many people travel thousands of kilometers to see glowing beaches, very few realize that the magical blue light is actually produced by millions of microscopic proteins floating in the water. Not all Noctiluca scintillant blooms glow blue. Some blooms can appear red, orange, or pink during the day, which is why they are associated with the phenomenon known as red tide. This shows that even the smallest organism can create some of the most extraordinary phenomena on Earth.
In conclusion, Noctiluca scintillans is a fascinating marine dinoflagellate known for its bioluminescence, ecological role, and environmental impact. Although it can contribute to harmful algal blooms, it remains an important species in marine biodiversity. These organisms reminds us that even microscopic life forms can have significant effects on the environment. That's all from us. Thank you. Bye.